Welcome to Little Yacht Sales. Today we've got a 2011 Alerion 28 that has virtually every option available at the time she was built. Her dark blue hull accentuates her beautiful lines with a classic look above the water and a modern and efficient underbody. She has a traditional draft keel and the stability not often found in boats this size. The bright work and all upkeep have been professionally maintained, and you'll be hard pressed to find a more beautiful and comfortable boat. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Please consider subscribing for more boat tours, and for our other listings, visit our website.